So hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to talk about dumping Yokai Sangokushi models. So we're going to talk about the requirements first. They're here on screen right now. Obviously I won't leave downloads for these two because you're going to have to do that yourself. I am going to show you how to dump your ROMFS though, because that's a very easy process. The rest of these programs will be left in the description of this video. For today, we have Blender, so we can open our model and edit it and do whatever we want to it. We have QuickBMS, which we will need to extract data from the actual game files. We have GM1 exporter, so if we find our model that we want, we can convert it to a compatible model for Blender. And we have an extension for QuickBMS, which it needs to extract the data. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how to dump your ROMFS. So right here, I have my own copy of Yokai Watch Sangokushi, and the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and press dump ROMFS. Now I already have done this, so I'm not going to go about this again. So what I'm going to do, I am going to open the mods location, and I'm just going to just go back to the dump. If I can remember the title ID, it should be this one. When you'll see this when it's done, so you just go into the data folder and you'll see a link data.bin. You're gonna need this. So after extracting QuickBMS, which you also need, just put this file in the same directory as it. So yeah, here you see I've done this. So let me just quickly delete it. I've extracted my QuickBMS right here, and I put the link data.bin right here next to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run this. You also need this extension, which I mentioned earlier, in here, because it's gonna run for the model extraction. So first you need to select the extension, and now you need to select the data that you want to extract. And now you need to make an output folder or wherever you want. Just click the folder and press save. I already extracted all the files, so I'm not going to go over that again. So you can see, after selecting it, it will just dump all the files. I don't need to do that because I already have all of them right here. Well, this is going to be very confusing, so don't worry about it. You guys will be able to see what I'm going to do with this. So we're going to find an NFC file. So yeah, we're going to find this one right here. And we're just going to drag and drop it into Kurrimu 2. Kurrimu 2 is the one you need for the extraction of these models. And then you're going to see this, because it doesn't know what to do. Just press Kui Tecmo, or whatever it's called, and then press the first one, bin. Now you're going to see actually three binary files, and this one is a texture, as you can see. This is what was it, the yellow version of eyesore. Yeah, the textures I would recommend, I would recommend going to these textures and extracting them both using this button. So after you extract these textures, you won't need this anymore, and then you're gonna extract the main file, because this is the actual model. And if you want to rename it, do that. You can do that if you want. And you're gonna rename the extension to GM1, and you're gonna hit save. All right, so I'm gonna do that right now. Boom, saved. And now we're gonna go back to QuickBMS, or wherever we were. Hold on, where were we? Yeah, we were at our directory where we saved this GM1 file. So in this case, I saved it in a Sango models in a folder for that. So we're gonna use this file with the GM1 exporter. Extract it first and put it in here, and it's gonna ask you to install an application. You will need Python for this, so I should put Python on here as well, technically. Let me just put in Python. Any Python version should do. And then just type pip install numpy. once you do this, it's going to ask for another one, so you just press enter now, and it's going to run the process. So after this, it's going to ask another one. Just copy the name, because it will show missing module and then the name, and just copy the name and run the same command, but just type pip install and the name of the missing module. So after you've done that, you're gonna put this file into the export meshes.py folder, file, and now you have this here, so you can mess around with that. But what we really want to do to get it to be compatible with Blender is we're going to put it in the GM1 to basic GLTF, and boom, you now have a compatible file for Blender. So if we go in here, I actually have a model importer right now. We're going to go to import, and as you can see right here, GLTF 2.0, and it already opened to my directory, so I'm just going to open the model and just hit delete on the first one, and now you see we have the model right here. It doesn't load the textures because I didn't extract them, but you're gonna have to manually apply them. You can just go right here, press this yellow button, so you go to the material, press the yellow button on the base color, select image texture, and press this button because it doesn't automatically find it, and then find the texture of its body. This is the body, and most of these Sango models have a second texture for the armor, so do that as well for the helmet. And there you go, you will have your own little model, and you can do with it whatever you want. So yeah, that's how you dump your files. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.